Let me emphasize something about keeping receipts. Yesterday, as I was driving the Chevelle around, I glanced down here at my voltage meter on idle, and I noticed I'm at like 10 and a half, maybe 11 volts. And I think it should be between 13 and 14. 13.8, I believe, is the magic number. So anyway, pretty well figured I had a problem. So upon inspection, I noticed my wires were all intact. Belt is not loose. So I concluded pretty well after taking the positive cable off while it was running that it went dead. That indicates the alternator was bad. So what I said about receipts, always keep up your receipts. This alternator was put on in 2010 by a friend of mine, Leslie Horn, and I got all the receipts. So I go up to O'Reilly's a few minutes ago and got a new one. So I went and picked the new one up, all shiny and pretty now. So we're going to put this one back on and see what happens. Y'all stick with me. Alright, now I got the old one off replaced, like I said. So now all I got to do is put in 2 bolts, basically. One up here that sets your tension on your belt. This one right here, what holds the alternator in. Only thing about this homemade shroud, which by the way works great. Had to pretty well disassemble it just to get the alternator off. So no biggie. Let me get that and I'll show you something in a minute. Just made an interesting discovery. See where this bolt passes through the alternator? Well, some reason they didn't drill that hole same size. I luckily had my drill bits and my handy dandy DeWalt cordless power drill. I was able to drill it out, make it fit. So just another little surprise. Let's see what else surprises we find as we go along here. There, that ought to hold it tight. Let's get up here and see what else we can find wrong. There, that's where it should be. Oh yeah. 12 and a half. Something's kicking in and out. I gotta check on that. Picks up 13 when I could give it up. Yeah. What's under the hood? Is it okay? All right. Alternator project in the book. Keep the receipt, folks. That's it. We'll do another one another day.